Welcome to Opportunities in Data Science. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe what data scientists do and differentiate them from other data professionals, compare different working styles at small, medium, and large companies, identify the current and predicted job opportunities in data science. First, let's look at what a data scientist does in an organization. Data scientists perform data mining of large sets of structured and unstructured data, evaluate vast volumes of data using statistical methods, and seek actionable insights, build machine learning and deep learning AI models by applying algorithms to data, use machine learning models to automate tedious data manipulation tasks and predict future results, answer questions such as, how many new social media followers am I likely to get next month? Or, what percentage of my customers am I likely to lose to competition in the next quarter? Or, is this financial transaction unusual for this customer? Data scientists require knowledge of mathematics, statistics, and a fair understanding of programming languages, databases, and building data models. In the data ecosystem, data scientists work closely with other data professionals such as data analysts, data engineers, and business analysts. Roles may overlap and combine to provide different opportunities, and each role plays its part in creating valuable results. Data analysts translate data and numbers into plain language so organizations can make decisions. Data analysts identify correlations, find patterns, and apply statistical methods to analyze and mine data. They also visualize data to interpret and present their findings. Data scientists analyze data for actionable insights and build machine learning or deep learning models that can train on past data to create predictive models. Data engineers extract and organize data from different sources, clean and prepare it, and then store and manage it in data repositories so that other data professionals can access it. There are other data professionals in the ecosystem too, such as business analysts and business intelligence analysts who make decisions based on the data results. Again, roles often overlap, and each role plays its part in creating valuable results. Data science is now used in many industries for many purposes, so the opportunities are broad-ranging. Manufacturing, shipping, medical research, entertainment, travel, law, finance, government. These are only a few of the fields that use data scientists to reach their goals. A large percentage of data science positions are offered by businesses within the technology and information industry. Understandably, a company's size will affect the nature of its data science positions. Many data science positions entail working within the huge multinational companies known as big tech. Here are some of the big tech companies known worldwide. You may recognize IBM, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon, as well as other major names in the industry. Many of them are part of our daily lives in the modern world. Each of these and other data giants is different in the information it collects, its company culture, and its structure, as well as its product or goal, of course. Big tech companies aren't the only ones hiring data scientists, however. Smaller companies also hire for many data science roles, and startups can be very exciting to work for. Each has benefits and drawbacks that you can weigh according to your goals. Between the extremes of startups and big techs, there are also medium-sized companies with their own characteristics. Medium-sized companies come in many styles, so you can assess positions in them on a case-by-case basis. It's impossible to draw hard distinctions between the opportunities of large and small companies. However, there are some general patterns. Large companies may offer a higher entry-level salary and benefits, but policies may limit how your salary will grow. Small companies may offer a wider variety of challenges, since you may need to fill several roles, but they may have less stability and a less predictable advancement track. Large companies may require regular work times, and smaller companies may require longer or irregular hours. Smaller companies often have a flatter organization, while large companies have stricter channels of hierarchy. Each of these is a factor to consider in looking for your ideal role. Although data science is still a relatively new field, it is among the fastest-growing occupations in the world today. Until recently, jobs in data science were commonly associated with the tech and information industries. However, data-based business demands have grown exponentially among many types of private companies and public agencies as well. Because of this, the number of data science jobs is growing rapidly. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates 31% growth in data science jobs over the next 10 years, which is much faster than average. Median wage is about $98,000, with a starting salary of about $53,000, varying by local area and company. U.S. News & World Report ranks data scientists as number 3 in best technology jobs and number 6 in best jobs overall, measured by growth potential, median salary, employment rate, work-life balance, and other factors. This trend extends to other countries worldwide. The World Economic Forum ranked data scientists and data analysts first among the top 20 job roles increasing in demand, and Burning Glass estimates 14.3% job growth. This is no surprise, as according to a recent survey from Sisense, 49% of companies are using data analytics more and much more than before the pandemic. According to Analytics Insight, the United Kingdom's demand for data scientists has tripled in the past few years. Demand is also high in the EU, especially Germany. Other countries where data scientists are in high demand include China, Japan, India, Singapore, South Korea, Canada, and South Africa, as well as the United States. In this video, you learned that data scientists bring a particular expertise to the data ecosystem. The role and working style of a data scientist can vary according to the size of the company. Demand for data scientists in the U.S. and worldwide is growing across nearly all industries.